Is it recording? Okay. Hi guys, Hunter here from the Only Hunter Games, and today I'm going to be making a video, as you can tell by the title, how to do the splits. Now, here's the thing. I can't really do them, so we're gonna have Gary to help us. He has quite a long neck, to be honest. I don't know why. It might have been all that prison sentencing. But anyway, first of all, I'll show you me trying to do the splits. I can only do one type. No, and I can't really go any further. But Gary here, he can do. Ooh. Okay. I should probably call an ambulance. Hang on. Gary, why is your head not fitting back on? Okay, I need to call an ambulance. Hello? Yeah, my name's Hunter. Can you please come? I kinda decapitated Gary. Who's Gary? Oh, he is a Lego figure that... what? Okay. Do you want me to tell you where we are? Yep. Okay, so... Yeah. We're there. Okay, cool. Okay, so the reason you couldn't hear where I said we were is because I've used like some special microphone that stops the mouth movement and you can't hear. But anyway, the ambulance should be here in any second. I'll tell you pretty much what they said. So they didn't really care about it until they said Lego figure. Until I said Lego figure, and then they were like, oh, a Lego figure in danger? No. Okay, where do you live? We'll be there in just a few minutes. And then I'm like, yeah, I'll give you where we live, and yeah. So I'll talk to you guys once the ambulance arrives. Wow, that was a magic doctor. I heard him muttering some spells, but okay. I just got a text saying from the hospital saying I should get him any sec.
You've got mail.
His head's made of TNT.
Hello there.
What do I do with it? What do I do with it? What do I do with it? Ow. Okay. Why did they have to
Oh, hi,
do
Mark.
that? Okay. Anyway, he doesn't really need his head for the splits, and I'll talk to you guys once we've got this all sorted out. Okay, so I don't know what to do. The hospital did say that. Okay, the hospital said there were a few problems with his head, but I did not expect him to sprout however you say it, to sprout flowers out of his head. Okay, he doesn't even need a head for the splits anyway. Okay, let's just get back to the beginning. Me doing them both ways. No. Versus Gary. He can't do the sideways ones, but he is a master at these ones. So here's all you really need to do. Grow a flower head. Not really. And then here, let's let Gary explain. Hi, I'm Gary. I don't know how I'm talking because I don't have a head. But anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the splits. So all you need to do is do this. So my master Hunter will do it for me. You push one leg forwards, one leg backwards, and you shake it all about. And you have done the split. Okay, I don't know why Gary went flying. I didn't go flying, you threw me. Gary, shut up. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you do the splits, and a comedy of ways, to be honest, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!